Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to add black and white effects in Camtasia. So for this you need to take a look around the left side of your screen, which is visual effects. You need to select visual effects. Now you can see color adjustment. You need to select color adjustment and bring it to your media file, right? Now you can see it's black and white, but it's kind of messy, I think. So you need to take a look on the mouse cursor. I'm just moving my mouse cursor here. So you need to set the saturation to 0, right? And you need to set the contrast to 0 and brightness to 0 as well. Okay, now it's on the normal form. So if you just decrease the saturation to -100, it's completely black and white, right? So in this way you'll be able to do the black and white effects in Camtasia.